The friendly fish, teamwork lesson. One day, there was a friendly fish named Finn. Finn loved to swim and play in the big blue ocean. One sunny morning, Finn had an idea. He wanted to find shiny seashells to decorate his home, but the seashells were too far, and he couldn't reach them all alone. Finn asked his fish friends, Sammy and Sandy, to help him.
Will you please help me get the seashells?
Finn said with a smile. Sammy and Sandy happily agreed. Together, they swam towards the seashells, side by side. But there was a problem. The seashells were hidden inside a big old shipwreck. They were scared to go in because it was dark and spooky. Finn had another idea.
Let's all go inside together. We'll be brave as a team,
he said cheerfully. So, the three friends swam inside the shipwreck. It was dark, but they didn't feel scared because they were together. Finn found the shiniest seashells. Sammy saw some colorful ones, and Sandy picked up the biggest ones. Working together, they gathered all the seashells they could find. The friends were so happy, and they giggled and laughed as they swam back home. When they reached home, they decorated Finn's house with the beautiful seashells. It looked so pretty. From that day on, Finn, Sammy, and Sandy always helped each other. They learned that by working together, they could do anything. And so, they lived happily in the big blue ocean, always helping each other and making new friends along the way.